Hey Salvage boys, today I'm cleaning up this 2014 Hyundai Sonata. I already cleaned most of the junk out of it, but there's some still leftover crap, like this Chick-fil-A box, making me hungry. There's a bunch of dirt on it. That's because next door to us, they're building a dollar store and dirt is flying. And here's one of the cans of all the junk I took out of the car. We took the seats out to clean them, so now I'm putting them back in. And it's super easy to bolt these down. Now, even though I did all 4 tires, I'm showing you the process for just one of them. Magic erasers are amazing with rims and wheels. When you're washing a car, you have to open the door frames, and you gotta be pretty good at not spraying water in the car, but getting the door frames really well. So probably after about 30-45 minutes of the interior and the outside clean, you can see how shiny it is, and that red is just popping in the sun. Now this car is ready for the road. Be sure to click that like button so you don't miss any more of our videos.